Hey everybody. Alright, it's been a while since I've done a video, but look at my hair. Yeah, I know. I had so many people that are like, no, don't cut it short. I'm like, I know that I would look good, and I know it would feel good. And my gosh, it feels amazing. I mean, as far as trying to get my hair put together, all it is a little bit of mousse and do this. Perfect. The easiest thing ever. And no, I don't have to put any iron to my hair. It's just natural. But anyhow, a lot has been going on. As many of you already know, I was diagnosed last year with MS. I wouldn't even be able to speak right now because my speech was so jumbled and my vision was bad. I've been now on medication for this situation. And I will be on medication. I take 4 pills a day until they decide to change it. But, yeah, it's been going. It's been going. I found out today I need to look for a different neurologist because my neurologist is not in network. And I also need to find a therapy place for my ankle outside of UT because apparently UT is not in network with Blue Cross Blue Shield, and I have HMO. I know that it's not the greatest, but right now for my situation it's what I can afford. So yeah, that's my life as of now. I do stay with my boyfriend in Grand Prairie, and I also stay with my mother because I come over here and try to work some hours. Plus, my mom is able to take me to the hospital right now to do my doctor visits, etc. But I know that's a lot. So it is a lot. But slowly but surely, really, I'm progressing. The last thing is just to get this ankle fixed. And they told me it's my primary doctor believes that I should just do therapy. He said that right when you got your ankle sprained, you should have done therapy continuously. And I'm like, yeah, that was like, I don't know, 2 decades ago or 15 years ago. So it's been that long. But damn, I've done a lot. So when I come back, I pray to God it's gonna be better and stronger than before. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.